Hello everyone. So for this video, I am going to show you how to solve a system of three equations in three variables. So meron tayong tatlong equation na given dito. We have x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 9. Negative x plus 3y minus z is equal to negative 6. 2x minus 5y plus 5z equals 17. Okay, so ang unang gagawin natin kapag given tayo ng system na tatlong equations tapos tatlong variable, dapat we have to come up. Ito yung first step natin. Dapat we have to come up with two equations in two variables. I-simplify natin ito, gawin nating two equations in two variables. How are we going to do that? So kukuha lang tayo ng mag-partner na dalawa galing dito. Okay, kahit anong equation dyan, basta two pairs. Okay, two pairs. So, for example, equation 1, itong una, and equation 2, tapos susunod, equation 2 and equation 3, kahit ano dyan, basta mag-pair, dalawang mag-pair. Okay, so kunin muna natin itong equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, looking at equations 1 and 2, ano ang pwede natin gawin dito? Eliminate natin yung x. We have to decide kung anong variable yung i-eliminate natin. Okay, so we want to eliminate x. So ang gagawin natin is we have to add equation 1 and equation 2 by the method of elimination. Add. Ito hindi palaging ganito yung solution na there are many solutions na pwedeng gawin sa system na ganito. Basta ang goal natin una is to eliminate one of the variables. And dito sa case natin, ang ini-eliminate natin ay yung variable x. Okay? So, if we add 1 and 2, so the first is x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 9. Tapos, negative x plus 3y minus z is equal to negative 16. So, i-add natin ito. So, ma-eliminate na yung x. Tama? X plus negative x is 0. Negative 2 plus 3y is y. 3z minus z is positive 2z. And then 9 and negative 16. So, negative 11. Yan. So, meron na tayong isang equation dito na negative 6 pala yun, sorry. Okay, so let me erase ito. Should be negative 6. So if we add the 2, ang mangyayari niyan is 9 minus 6, so that becomes positive 3. Yan, so meron na tayong equation na y and z. Okay, so kukunin natin ito mamaya. Okay, tawagin natin itong equation 4. Ngayon, sabi ko kanina, pipili ulit tayo ng isa pang pair. Nakuha na natin yung 1 and 2. So, kunin naman natin yung pair ng 2 and 3. Okay? 2 and 3. Consider 2 and 3. So, negative x plus 3y minus z is equal to negative 6. Tsaka 2x minus 5y plus 5z is equal to 17. Okay, so ang gagawin natin dito is to eliminate the same variable na in-eliminate natin dito sa first step. Okay, so ang in-eliminate natin dito ay x. So dapat dito ang i-eliminate din natin ay yung x. So tignan natin yung mga coefficients ng x. So we have negative 1 tsaka positive 2. So mag-multiply tayo ng 2 dito sa first na dito sa unang equation to come up with negative 2x plus 6y minus 2z is equal to negative 12. Ito, we just copy as it is kasi 2x na. 2x minus 5y plus 5z is equal to 17. Now, to eliminate x, i-add natin ngayon ito. So, eliminated na yung x. So, 6 plus negative 5 is y. Negative 2 plus 5z is positive 3z. Saka negative 12, tapos positive 17 is positive 5. So, tawagin natin ngayon ito na equation 5. Okay, so we call this equation 5. So, meron na tayong dalawang equations, di ba? Itong equation 4, tsaka equation 5. So, balik tayo. Bali, na-simplify na natin siya na 2 equations, 2 unknowns. Isulat natin dito. I have y plus 2z is equal to 3. Tsaka y plus 3z is equal to 5. So, what can we do dito? We can eliminate y kasi pares na silang y, di ba? We just need to subtract. Subtract na natin to y minus y is 0. 2 minus 3 is negative 1. So, this is negative z. 3 minus 5 is negative 2. So, we come up with the value of z dito. Z is equal to 2. Diba? Madali na lang siya. Na-simplify natin as 2 equations, 2 unknowns. We can solve for the value of one of the variables z. Okay? Ang susunod, we can use either equations 4 or equation 4 or 5 para isolve natin yung value naman ng y. Okay, so ang gagamitin natin ay yung equation 4 to solve for the value of y. We have y plus 2z. Na-compute na natin yung z na 2. So we have is equal to 3. So we have y plus 4 is equal to 3. We have y is equal to 3 minus 4. So, y is equal to negative 1. Yan, nasolve na natin yung y. At saka nasolve na natin yung z. Yung last na variable natin na di pa natin nasolve is the x. Yung value ng x, kukunin natin from either of the original equations. Okay, so kahit ano dyan. Sa equations 1, 2, or 3. So, ang gagamitin natin is the equation 1 na x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 9. Yan yung first equation natin. X minus 2y plus 3z equals 9. Substitute na lang natin yung nasolve natin na y and z. So, we have x minus 2 times negative 1 plus 3 times 2 is equal to 9. So we have x plus 2 plus 6 is equal to 9. We have x plus 8 is equal to 9. So we have x is equal to 9 minus 8. And finally, we have x is equal to 1. Yan, na-compute na natin yung tatlo na variables. So, you can check. I-check nyo yan yung x equals 1, y equals negative 1 and 2. You should check dito sa original na equations natin. Dapat masatisfy niya yung tatlong equations na yan. Okay? So, we can conclude that the solution is ito, ordered triple ang tawag dito kasi tatlong variable. So, we have x. Dapat mauna yung value ng x. So, we have 1. And then, comma, the value of y, negative 1, and the value of z, 2. So, positive 1, negative 1, and positive 2. Yan yung solution ng example na to. That's it for this one.